Welcome guys, today I will show you always on display settings on POCO F8 Ultra. Let's open the settings app, scroll down and choose Personalization chapter. Here you will find always on display part. Move into it. To activate the feature, use this toggle at the top. Now you can manage some settings of the always on display. For example, like items, which you will see on the display. You can choose between these options to see always all items on the always on display, but it will increase power consumption. Smart mode, when someone looks at the screen. Scheduled, and also you can turn off display items when battery saver is on. And also by default and as recommended, you can choose to display items on your always on display for 10 seconds after tapping. Then you can set up how it will looks like. You can choose between these all options. You can set up background, you can choose just digital versions of always on display with some kaleidoscope images, with analog you watch, or you can put them there some signature. Let's check how it works. As you can see, always on display works perfectly on POCO F8 Ultra. And now you know how to activate it and how to manage it. If this video was helpful, like it, leave some comment below and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.